Okay guys, in my last video I did a training video on how you can grow your $20 account into $500 within a short period of time, and I gave you a screenshot of some of one of my subscribers that grew his $18 into $65 within the same day. Okay, and and in that video I showed you how you can also duplicate the same effort, but there are still so many questions going on around it. Okay, people want to be clarified on how to go about it. Probably those that want to clarify things are those people that are yet to have the same setup which I showed in my video. Okay, but for those of you that are already having the 3M trend Meerkat trading indicator, you know this is how this works. Okay, so in this video I'm going to be clarifying some things right here so that you will know how to go about it, and of course you will be able to secure your profits at that particular point, even as you trade downward the trend or upward the trend. It depends on the market situation. Okay, so these are some of the things we will be sharing in this video. So if you missed yesterday's video, you can go back and watch this particular video called Amazing Forex Trading Strategy for Growing $20 into $500. That is the part one of today's video, so we will go right into it right away. But before we go fully into it, in case you are joining us for the first time, I welcome you all to Qora Digital Cash. This is the platform which I used to share with you my ideas on how you can make some cool cash for yourself online, most especially within the forex niche. All you need to do is just to take some time to browse through my channels, watch my training videos, and of course I'll make sure you always practice and perfect your trading skill first on your demo account before trying it out on your real account. Personally, I also practice on my demo account when I'm learning a new strategy, and it is after that I go to my real account to put everything into practice. That is the whole idea about it. Okay, so this is very, very important. So quickly, in case you are yet to subscribe to this channel, can you do so right away so that you can be notified whenever I upload a training video like this, and do not forget to like my video. So I will be going straight into what we have right here at the moment, so stay tuned and watch this video to the end. Okay, guys, first of all, this is what I showed you yesterday, and this is the setup I used yesterday, and this is the same setup my subscribers have been using. It is called the 3M trend Meerkat trading indicator, and of course right here, since it is a trend trading indicator, and the trend the asset we are trading is also a trend trading asset, so it makes it very easy for us to put into use in order to make some cool cash for ourselves at the end of the day. That is why most of my subscribers are always milking out the market in profit all the time. You can see right here, you should know that the market is on uptrend at the moment, and when the market is showing red, it should know that it is at downtrend at that particular point, and a red arrow shows a sell signal, while a blue arrow shows a buy signal. All these are very, very important, and then you should know that the resistance comes at the top of the candle, while the support zone comes at the bottom part of the candles. Okay, so that is very, very important. Okay, so this is how you can put it into use. Okay, first of all, since you are trading a small trading capital, I will advise you to stick with boom 1000 and crash 1000 alone, okay, till you are able to grow your capital up to a reasonable level where you will add 500 indices and 300 indices to it. Okay, 300 indices should be the last asset you should be adding to your trading activities, okay, because it is more volatile than every other indices right there. Okay, so that is very, very important. Okay, that is under boom and crash. Okay, so quickly let's go straight into what we have right here. Okay, so for boom, if we are not trading the spiky part, then we will have to focus on the normal trend, which is the sell trend, okay, while for crash it's going to be the buy trend, okay. So that is very, very important. For crash, it should be the buy trend and not the other way around. You can see the buy trend around here, so that is very, very important. So when you see such thing, then you should know that there is an opportunity for you to grab within the market. So what should you look out for whenever you are trading? The first thing you should look out for is your trend. Make sure your trend is suitable to the exact assets you want to trade, is suitable for the exact assets you want to trade, okay. So this is it right here. The trend is coming from the resistance zone, which is a very good point, and of course it is on downtrend, and it is a sell signal. So once you see this, you can always come in around there, okay. You come in around here, and after picking up a few candles, okay, because you don't know how far it will go, and of course you don't know when you will have a major pullback, but there will always be pullback around the support zone, okay. So once you have gotten down to a region like this, I will always advise you to introduce something, a stop loss, okay. A stop loss will save you from some unseen from some market situation, okay, that can affect your trading activities or delay you from getting into profit easily, okay. This is very, very important. So I'm going to use the magenta color for the stop loss, okay. So as this is going down, you can always adjust the stop loss also, in order for you to keep more profit for yourself at that point. So if you should check this out, it spiked up and came down again, spiked up again, got to your stop loss. This will have taken you out of the market at this point, and your profit will have been from here to here, okay. It will have gone to your balance at that particular point. So you can always use your stop loss to trail down your trend till the very last, okay. If you have the opportunity to get to the very last, you can see this actually gave us 12 candles, and of course you would have gotten the opportunity to milk the market at that point, okay. But if it goes down, let's say you didn't get to your stop loss and it's got to this region, and maybe your stop loss, you adjust your stop loss to this level, okay. This candle is a 5-minute candle, so a single spike, it shows that this is not a single spike. The first spike will have gotten to your stop loss, which you will have cut you off from the market. Probably it will have gotten you to this region, and of course you would have kept the rest of the profit for yourself. You can see it right from here, okay. You can see it right from here, and of course this will have given you 30 candles, okay. 30 candles, 35-minute candles. We can do some calculations based on that, okay. We can do some calculations based on that, and of course that is going to give us 30 times 5. That is going to give us 150 minutes, okay. 150 minutes, okay, times 5. That should be giving us 150 minutes, okay. Now let's say we are making 10 cents per minute, okay. I'm just using that as an example, but let's say we are making 10 cents per minute times 0.1, okay. That's 10 cents, okay. That will be giving you $15 at that particular point, which is a good amount of money, okay. You can see here is a major pullback. All you just need to wait for is this arrow to pop out again. You can see it has popped out again, and you need the red flag to start forming. Once it starts forming, then you can go into the market again and sell, okay, and sell. And as soon as you are able to make a reasonable amount of profits, you can apply your stop loss in between in order to secure some of it, okay. That is the whole idea about it, okay. So you doing that will help you to milk the market to the very end of the trend, okay, because the trend is just starting, and there will always be pullback like this in between. In some situation you will see a major pullback, so this stop loss will help you to edge out of the the major pullbacks that may likely happen, okay, and you will be having enough profit for yourself at the end of the day. The same thing is applicable to crash 1000. This is crash 1000, and you can see right here it started an uptrend. We got a buy signal and a yellow flag, and you can see you could trade to this region. You can see I already put an arrow here, I mean an horizontal line here, that here is a support, I mean a resistance zone. Once you identify a resistance zone like that, it is always important you pull out of the market before you get to that resistance zone. You should have pulled out around there, and of course that will have given you some good profit at that particular point. Okay, you can see it in this form. Okay, let's see this. Okay guys, this is 14 candles, 14 5-minute candles. This will have given you enough profit at that particular point. Of course it is still going to go on uptrend, but it is having a pullback at the moment. After the pullback, it will go back up again. It may likely pull back till this region before it will go back up again and try to break out from this resistance zone. Okay, so that is very, very important. Once it breaks out from this resistance zone, then the next resistance zone is what you should be looking out for, which is going to be the next is going to be around there. Then after that, it's going to be around here. Okay, so that is how you use it to milk the market gradually till you are able to grow your capital to a reasonable level. So the first thing you need to work on, you are having a small trading capital, then you should be able to identify your trend. When you are able to identify your trend, and make sure you follow the signal that supports the trend, okay, because you are trading within the right trend. It gives you the opportunity to milk the market for a very long time. You can see that this sell signal is still going down, and of course it will keep on going down and may likely have a pullback around this support zone. But once it breaks out from there, then here is going to be the next zone. It might not be a major one, but once it breaks out from this, then the next one is going to be somewhere here. Okay, so all these are very, very important. Once you are able to identify all these stages, then you will be able to milk the market successfully for yourself, and you can always apply your stop loss. As soon as you have made some profit for yourself, you can apply some stop loss in order to guide yourself through the trading market, and of course use it to make some profit for yourself at the end of the day. So let me give us a quick recap on what we have discussed this month. The first thing is to identify the exact trend you want to trade and make sure you are in the right trend before you go into it. Follow the signal that support the trend. Make sure it is coming from a resistance zone. If you are trading boom 1000, if you are trading crash 1000, make sure it is coming from a support zone, and the trend you should follow for crash 1000 is a buy trend, okay, an uptrend. Okay, that is very, very important, while for boom 1000 is a downtrend. Okay, so that is very, very important. Once you understand all this, then you will be able to milk the market successfully. Then you can apply stop loss whenever it is needed. Okay, do not forget that stop loss will help you to avoid multiple spikes that may likely happen in the market. Okay, so this is very, very important. Okay, so guys, this is what you can do to grow your small trading capital. And of course, you should also have this at the back of your mind. Your capital is small and you are trying to grow it up, so you shouldn't be too eager to make a lot of profits on a single day. Okay, sometimes you can be so lucky to have like $30-40 or even $50 profit right from there, while sometimes you won't be that lucky. Okay, so probably the market situation is not giving you the opportunity to make more, but at the same time you can make $10-15-20, which is also reasonable for your small trading capital. But gradually, as you are growing it, you will be able to make more, because you will be able to increase your lot size at that particular point. Okay, it is a steady process. Okay, so So you go into it gradually. By the time you are able to trade consistently for a whole week, your trading capital will have increased, and of course you will be able to use a bigger lot size at that particular point, and you will be making more profit the following week. So that is how to go about it. That is the whole scenario about it, and of course that is how you can make a good profit for yourself at the end of the day. So guys, I will be stopping right here. Remember, this is coming to you courtesy Qora Digital Cash, and of course if you have any question at all, feel free to contact me. My contact details are in the description box below this video, and if you are yet to subscribe to this channel, kindly do so right away so that you can be notified whenever I upload a training video like this. Watch out for my next video. Until then, God bless you.